Hi guys, so I literally just got back from Vegas. I was in Vegas for how many days was I there? From Friday. Today's Monday. Just got back today. I have some food here from El Pollo Loco. I'm gonna eat it and just like update you guys. Also, I got like a few packages I wanted to open. What do you got? Like a healthy chicken bowl from El Pollo Loco. A little mini Diet Coke. Okay. Yeah. Vegas was super fun. We went to the Wax Museum, Circus. Like I went with a family that I nanny for. So I was helping like nanny. I guess I was like working, but I was there just helping them on their trip and like doing things with the kids and like things like that. So we went to Circus. We went to a Wax Museum and did a book over things while we were there. It was a good time. Anyways, I have some packages here. I have 3 and I don't know why I have 3. I think I was only expecting 2, so we'll see what the 3rd one is. All right, this one, I know this one is. This one is my Fabletics subscription. I'm actually gonna cancel it after this round just because like I'm good. Like, I don't know, $49.95 a month is kind of a lot. But this is what I got this month from my Fabletics. I got this cute shirt. Oh, it's a tank top. I thought this was like a t-shirt. It says, work out hard and be nice. And it's just a little workout tank. I don't know why I thought that was gonna be a shirt. And then I got these. They're supposed to like go with it. Oh, these are weird. Okay. These are just some like maroon, like high-waisted leggings. Got a lot of like texture to them, which is not what I was expecting, but we'll try that on later. I'm really hungry. Oh. Oh! Oh my god, I do know what that 3rd one is. I was like, what did I order? I remember what I ordered the 3rd thing. Man, this one I'm so excited for. I got Ray-Bans, but they look a little sus. Like, this is how the package came. I got them off Poshmark, but they're supposed to be authentic. I mean, they look real. I don't know if they're real because I did only pay $65 for them. Wait, let me take the sticker off. I thought these would be cute for like vacation in summer. But they're just like Ray-Bans. Yeah, they feel fake. I don't think they're real at all, but these are them. They feel like really cheap. These are definitely from China. I mean, maybe this is how real Ray-Bans feel. I mean, I've had Ray-Bans before. Do they look fake to you guys? But I was gonna do a black, but I just bought these stiff ones. They were really expensive, and so I was like, let me get a different colored ones. Okay. That's that. Okay, the last thing, I do remember what I got. I'm so excited about this. Oh my god. I got a shirt from Elevation Worship. You don't know what Elevation Worship is. Actually it's from Elevation Church, which is a church, and they have like a band, a musical group called Elevation Worship. And I got this shirt. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so the front just has their like Elevation logo. Oh my god, and the back has these lyrics that say, oh death, where is your victory? Oh death, where is your sting? Oh my god, it's so cute. And on the sleeves it says victory. Oh my god, I love this shirt. Oh, it's so mean. Okay, that is everything that I got. I'm going to eat. I have the next couple of days off since I've worked the past like 4 days. I have 2 days off here, so I'll definitely be vlogging a lot more. Just to give you guys like an update of what's going on, but I just really did want to show you guys that haul and everything that I've got. I'm really excited about everything that I got, so I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna eat. Bye. It's a lot later now. It's like 9:30, almost 10 o'clock. It might be 10 o'clock by now, actually. You guys do not know what I had to get, what I had to go through to get this wine, and this wine is like so worth it because it's so good. So I went grocery shopping. Like, time has passed obviously since I last saw you. I've been kind of just hanging out in my room watching like YouTube videos, yada yada yada, but then I was like, I really need to get groceries like for the week, or not for the week because I'm only gonna be here for a couple more days, but I need groceries for the next couple of days that I'm here before I have to go back to my aunt's house on Thursday. Today is Monday. So I went and did that, and I'm like, I really want a glass of wine with my dinner. So I got a glass of wine when I was at the store, and I was like, okay, let me open up a bottle so I can get a glass. Could not find a bottle opener to save my life. I even asked my mom, and my mom knows where everything is. Like, I'll be like, have you seen a bobby pin? And she'd be like, oh yeah, it's right here. So she couldn't even remember where it was. So my dad ended up he went to the store for something else, but then I was like, can you get a bottle opener? So about an hour, 2 hours later, we got my wine, but so good. This is the Stella Peach. I was between this and the Stella Pink, and I'm so glad I went for the peach because it's so good. I also signed up for a spin class tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna go to bed at like midnight the latest and get up a little bit before 8 because it's at 8:45. And yeah, getting back on the thing. I really want to lose like weight in my weight, but I really want to lose like, I want my thighs to be skinny. That's my problem area right now, that and my stomach. But you know, baby steps. So hopefully I can start going to the gym a couple times a week. But yeah, I have that in the morning, and of course I will bring you guys with me. It should be eventful. I haven't worked out in a while. So anyways, I'm probably gonna end the vlog for here tonight. I'm gonna pick up again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching today. Actually, why am I saying thank you so much for watching? I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm really mad at myself for booking this 8:45 class. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep right away last night. Tomorrow I'm not taking a morning class. I'm taking like an afternoon. I'm so tired. I just rolled out of bed. It's like 8 o'clock. I need to get ready. This is what I'm wearing. I haven't worn this top yet. I got this from, I have 2 shirts like this. It's from Target. And I just have my Fabletics high-waisted leggings on. I'm so tired. I'm gonna wear a bandana so I don't sweat my hair out because it's actually looking cute. I have my shoes. I'm gonna go make some toast, maybe have some pre-workout. I'm getting ready to go. I'm so tired. Oh, what did I do this for? I need to get a bikini body ready, that's why. Okay. I'm gonna grab my glasses. And we're gonna go. Oh, I'm so tired. What was I thinking? This was not a good idea. Oh, okay, let's go. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Hi guys, so I just got out of my workout. It wasn't the best workout I've ever had. I think it just depends, like with spin classes like this, maybe other classes too, but specifically spin classes, it really depends on your instructor and the music they play, if you like vibe with it. I wasn't vibing with her music. It was supposed to be a hip-hop ride, but all she played were like techno, like EDM music, like not hip-hop. So I wasn't really like into it until like the last like 2 songs I got into, because I liked the last 2 songs. and I was like, I need to lose weight, I want this. And so I like pushed myself the last 2 songs, but overall like probably won't go back to that instructor again, which kind of sucks, but you know, I got a workout in and that's all that matters. So right now I'm about to go inside and make my breakfast. I think I'm gonna have a smoothie, maybe have some eggs on the side because I'm actually really hungry. But yeah, I'm gonna go make a smoothie, show you guys. I might go back to sleep because I'm actually tired. Actually, I'm probably not, but let's go. Hello guys, it was getting hot, so I took off my jacket. I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'm gonna show you guys. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm just kidding, it's my parents' kitchen. So the ingredients: spinach, frozen acai. This stuff is not cheap, so be warned. And then I just got a tropical blend frozen fruit. It has strawberry, pineapple, and mango. And I'm gonna use a banana, but it's over there. So first we'll start with the acai. It comes in like a pack like this. I've never seen it. I'm gonna open it. All right, I like to break mine in half so it's easier to mix. Break it in 3s. Okay. Then I'm going to add in some frozen fruit. And then some spinach. Actually, I'm gonna add in the banana first because that just makes more sense to me. I almost ate this banana for breakfast, but I wasn't feeling it. So I'm just gonna put like, I don't know, not all of it because I'm not gonna have enough room. But this is a good sweetener, so you don't have to add like juice, you can just add water. And yeah, so I don't know, I just put about that much banana. All right, now we're gonna put some spinach. Just to get your greens in, you can barely taste it, so. I've got a good handful, as much as I could fit, really, in here. I'm gonna try and fit this whole handful of spinach. Okay, and somehow I'm gonna have to add water. Add this much water. I don't like my smoothies to be super runny, so I will add more water if I need it. So now I'm just gonna close it up and mix it. Here we go. God, it's like the poopiest color. This does not look appetizing. I think we're good. All right, now I just got a mason jar and I'm just going to pour the smoothie in there. Hopefully it's not too lumpy. I hate a lumpy smoothie. It is so ugly. It looks like diarrhea. But like the dark purple and the greens kind of just made this like I would also add like vanilla protein to this, but I only have chocolate protein. I don't know if that would taste good. So I'm just gonna make sure I get, you don't want to waste this stuff, okay? You don't want to waste it. Okay, let me get a spoon. I mean a straw. All right, let's taste test this. That's really good. So I'm gonna drink this, probably go upstairs and watch like some YouTube videos and hang out. And I'll talk to you guys later. All right, so I'm gonna throw on a Janine vlog. Oh my God, I love her like moving vlogs right now. But I really wanna end this vlog so I can edit it and put it up for you guys since I vlogged a little bit yesterday, vlogged a little bit today. I'm gonna continue vlogging, but I just want to put something up. So I'm going to end the vlog here, but I will continue it and have a vlog out maybe tomorrow or maybe the next day. Keep you guys updated, but I really want to put this up, and I feel like I've, you know, vlogged a lot. Like I showed you guys my haul yesterday of things that I got from the mail. I showed you guys my smoothie recipe in this vlog, so I feel like this is a good lengthy vlog for me to end it. But if you guys want to see what I'm doing for the rest of the day, which is like just hanging out, being a pretty chill laid back day. I'm gonna work out again tomorrow. I'm also gonna do a little workout a little bit later, just like more intense, just like abs and stuff like that, just when I'm not taking a shower right now. So you guys can see that in my vlog that I'm gonna vlog after I end this one. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys try this smoothie recipe down below, and subscribe if you are not, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.